Now the next question, tu as lu le courrier. So this corresponds to this item on the list, lire le courrier. So has it been completed? No. So your answer would be no. Since it is a question, the answer would be in the first person. Je. Now the negative. Passé composé. Je n'ai pas. And we are using encore. So we intend to complete the action in the future. No, je n'ai pas encore lu le courrier. So no, I have not yet read the courrier. The next sentence, il faut répondre à Sylvie. Il faut répondre à Sylvie. So this corresponds to this one. Répondre à la lettre de Sylvie. So has it been completed? Yes. So j'ai déjà, I have already. So the past participle of répondre will be répondu. Répondu à Sylvie. Répondu. So all you have to know when you want to use déjà is the past tense of avoir plus the past participle of the verb. The next question, tu as fait les courses? Tu as fait les courses? So, faire les courses. Has it been completed? No. So, no. Je n'ai pas encore. So, you must not forget to use the word encore in this case because that is what gives meaning to the sentence. Encore means it has not yet been completed. So you are planning to complete it. Non, je n'ai pas encore fait les courses. Je n'ai pas encore fait les courses. And finally, the last one, il faut prendre de leçons. Il faut prendre de leçons. Prendre de leçons has been completed. So, it is after the action we use déjà. I have déjà already. For prendre, the past participle is pris. J'ai déjà pris de leçons. So, in this exercise, we saw how to describe an action when it has been completed and when it has not been completed. So, before the action can take place and after the action has taken place. So, for each of these, we have two forms that can be used. We used one form of each. For an action that has not been completed, we use ne pas encore. For the action that has already been completed, we use the word déjà. So now you know how to use these expressions in a given sentence.